హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేకేఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. మనం మన ఛానల్లో టీఎస్ ట్రాన్స్కోకి సంబంధించిన సబ్ యూనిట్ సిలబస్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూసాం. ఆ వీడియోలో నేను పాసిబుల్ అయితే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ని మన ఛానల్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తానని చెప్పిన విధంగానే ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ని మనం చూడబోతున్నాం. అంతకంటే ముందు మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో వారు మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అందువల్ల నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ని మీరు మిస్ అవ్వకుండా చూడొచ్చు. అలాగే ఏ ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ అయినా మీరు చూడాలి అనుకుంటే ఇటువంటి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ అనే ప్లేలిస్ట్లో మన ఛానల్లో చూడొచ్చు. సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ది టాపిక్. ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ యొక్క డ్యూరేషన్ చూస్తే 2 hours. 2 hours మనం ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది రాయాలి. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఇవన్నీ మన సిలబస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ క్యారీస్ 1 mark. ఇప్పుడు సెక్షన్ ఏ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: The reactance offered by a capacitor to an alternating current of frequency 50 Hz is 20 ohms. If the frequency is increased to 100 Hz, reactance becomes. Answer: 10 ohms. Second question: An AC source of 200 volts RMS supplies active power of 600 watts and reactive power of 800 VAR. The RMS current drawn from the source is. Answer: 5 amps. Question number 3. A 100 mH inductor carries a sinusoidal current of 1 ampere RMS at a frequency of 50 Hz. The average power dissipated by the inductor is dash watts. Answer: 0. Next, question number 4. As compared to squirrel cage induction motor, a wound rotor induction motor is preferred when the major consideration is. Answer: high starting torque. Question number 5. Flame proof motors are used in. Answer: explosive atmospheres. Question number 6. Candela is the unit of. Answer: luminous intensity. Question number 7. Inverse square law and Lambert's cosine law are associated with. Answer: illumination. Question number 8. The ratio of the illumination when everything is clean to illumination under normal working condition is defined as. Answer: depreciation factor. Question number 9. The electrodes used for projection welding are flat and large in diameter. Question number 10. Induction heating takes place in. Answer: conducting materials may be magnetic or non-magnetic in nature. Question number 11. The most modern method of heating in food processing unit is. Answer: dielectric current. Question number 12. Steel pipes are manufactured by. Answer: resistance welding. Question number 13. A 60-watt lamp given a luminous flux of 1500 lumens, its efficiency is. Answer: 25 lumens per watt. Next, question number 14. Cooling of transformer is necessary to. Answer: dissipate the heat generated in the windings. Question number 15. Power loss in the open circuit and short circuit tests on a transformer gives approximately an account of the. Answer: core loss and the copper losses respectively. Question number 16. The all-day efficiency of a transformer is the ratio of. Answer: kilowatt hour output and kilowatt hour input in a day. Question number 17. The ratio of primary to secondary voltage of a transformer is 2:1. The saving in terms of weight of copper required if an auto transformer is used instead of 2-winding transformer will be. Answer: 50%. Question number 18. For satisfactory parallel operation of 2 single phase transformers, which one of the following is not required to be fulfilled? Answer: kVA rating of the transformer should be equal. Next, question number 19. The full load iron loss of a certain transformer is 100 watts. What will be its iron losses at half load? Answer is 100 watts. Question number 20. Which is the common method of cooling in power transformer? Answer: oil cooling. Question number 21. Aluminum is not used as winding wire for the armature of DC machine because a large winding space is taken by the aluminum conductors and creates jointing problem. Question number 22. The commutator segment of a DC machine are insulated from each other by a thin layer of. Answer mica. Question number 23. The armature of a DC machine is laminated to reduce eddy current loss. Question number 24. Three-phase induction motors are widely used for industrial applications because they are rugged in construction, requires less maintenance and less expensive than other motors. 25. The slip of a 400 volts 50 Hz 3-phase 4-pole induction motor when rotating at 1440 rpm is 4%. The torque slip characteristics of an induction motor is such that for lower value of slip, torque is directly proportional to slip, and higher value of slip, torque is inversely proportional to slip. Question number 27. The power input in block rotor test performed on a 3-phase induction motor is approximately equal to I square R losses in windings. Question number 28. Block rotor test of an induction motor correspond in case of transformer to short circuit operation. Question number 29. In case of shaded pole motor, shading coils are used to produce rotating magnetic field. Question number 30. In a series motor, armature coils are usually connected to the commutator through resistors. Question number 31. In a single phase induction motors and commutator motors, the phase difference between the currents in the main and auxiliary windings is achieved by placing the two windings at an angle of 90 degrees electrical in the stator slots. Question number 33. A universal motor is one which has the capability of operating both on AC and DC with comparable performance. Next, question number 34. Probability of occurrence of all the three-phase short-circuited fault in transmission system is. Answer 2 to 3%. Question number 35. Which one of the following is correct statement? Circuit breaker can break as well as make the circuit, while isolator can only break the circuit. This is the correct statement. Question number 36. The primary component which ensures the safety of a line from damage is. Answer relay. Question number 37. The purpose of backup protection is to guard against the failure of the primary. Question number 38. Basic quantity measured in distance relay is. Answer impedance. Question number 39. The arcing contacts in a circuit breaker are made of copper tungsten alloy. Question number 40. Circuit breaker usually operates under transient state or short circuit current. Question number 41. In merge price percentage differential protection of a delta star transformer, the CT secondaries connection in the primary and secondary windings of the transformer would be in the form of star delta. Question number 42. Earthing transformer is used to provide artificial earthing. Question number 43. Percentage differential protection is used to prevent magnetizing current. Question number 44. The function of steel wire in ACSR conductor is to provide additional mechanical strength. Question number 45. The sag of a conductor of a transmission line is 2.5 meters when the span is 250 meters. Now if the height of the supporting tower is increased by 25%, the sag will. Answer remains unchanged. Question number 46. The insulator used on 132 kV transmission line is generally disc type. Question number 47. Corona loss increases with decrease in conductor size and increase in supply frequency. Question number 48. The inductance of single phase 2-wire power transmission line per kilometer gets doubled when the distance between the wires is increased at square of the original distance. Question number 49. The capacitance of an overhead transmission line increases with A. increase in mutual geometric mean distance. B, increase in height of conductors above ground. Answer, both A and B are false. Next, question number 50. The concept of an electrically short, medium and long line is primarily based on. Answer, wavelength of the line. Question number 51. The velocity of propagation of electromagnetic waves on overhead transmission line is. Answer, 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Question number 52. Under no load condition, after the current in the transmission line is because of. Answer, capacitance effect. The purpose of guard ring in transmission line is to. Answer, reduce the earth capacitance of the lowest unit. Question number 54. The type of distributor used in residential area is normally 3-phase 4-wire. Question number 55. Stringing charts are useful for finding the sag in the conductor. Question number 56. The sag of a transmission line is least affected due to current through the conductor. Question number 57. The self-geometric mean distance GMD method is used to evaluate inductance. Question number 58. Hollow conductors are used in transmission line to. Answer, reduce corona. Question number 59. A wattmeter has a full scale range of 2500 watts. It has an error of plus or minus 1% of true value. The range of reading if true power is 1250 will be 1237.5 watts to 1262.5 watts. Question number 60. The nominal ratio of current transformer is. Answer, rated primary winding current by rated secondary winding current. Question number 61. When measuring power with an electrodynamometer type wattmeter in a circuit where the load current is large, the pressure coil should be connected on the load side. Next, question number 62. The domestic supply voltage of 220 volts represents the. Answer, RMS value. Question number 63. The power factor of a system is kept high in order to. Answer, maximize the utilization of capabilities of generators, lines and transformers. Question number 64. Two waves of alternating voltage of same frequency are out of phase when the phase angle between them is. Answer, 180 degrees. Question number 65. In a series RLC circuit at resonance frequency, the. Answer, current is maximum. So దీంతో సెక్షన్ ఏ అయిపోయింది, 65 మార్క్స్. సెక్షన్ బి, జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ అండ్ న్యూమరికల్ ఎబిలిటీ ఫర్ 15 మార్క్స్, టోటల్ 80. నా క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 66. ఐడెంటిఫై ద నేషనల్ లీడర్ హూ వాజ్ పాపులర్లీ నోన్ యాజ్ ద గ్రాండ్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ పాలిటిక్స్. ఆన్సర్, దాదాబాయ్ నవరోజీ. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 67. హూ డిస్కవర్డ్ ద ప్రింటింగ్ ప్రెస్. ఆన్సర్, గూటెన్బర్గ్. Question number 68. One must be loyal to dash country. Answer, one's country. Question number 69. She has dash a song. She has sung a song. Question number 70. Identify the kind of sentence given below. He passed the test. It is a simple sentence. Question number 71. Nayankara system was an important military system introduced by. Answer, Kakatiyas. Question number 72. Who built the popular Bhadrachalam temple. Answer, Kancherla Gopanna. Next, question number 73. Kuntala Jalapatam is located in. Answer, Adilabad. Question number 74. 8085 microprocessor has dash hardware interrupts. Answer, 5. Question number 75. What will be the output of the following program? The answer is I hate you. Question number 76. The size of MAC address and IPv4 address is. Answer, 48 bits and 32 bits respectively. Question number 77. Find the missing term in the following series: 8, 24, 12, 18, 54. Answer, 36. Now question number 78. X and Y are brothers, C and D are sisters. X son is D's brother. How is Y related to C? Answer, uncle. Question number 79. What percentage of 180.50 is 36.1? Answer, 20. Question number 80. The last question. Identify the author of Sanskrit drama Abhignana Shakuntalam. Answer, Kalidasa. So this is the question paper of TS Transco Sub-Engineer held in 2018. Thank you.